Hey, hi. Hello. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey.
How are you?
Yeah.
I was just turning it on. Sometimes it takes time for me, so I was like, maybe it's better to turn it on earlier.
最近怎么样？
这是什么呀？我做功课
啊，
啊。你呢？
我很好，我很好，就是有一点忙，busy。
很忙。
就是有一点忙，busy 呀。
嗯。
但我不是很想做功课。I don't really want to do my homework.
Yeah, same, same. I'm trying to do my statistic homework, so.
Yeah, I also have statistic. Statistic in Chinese is 统计，统计。
通信. Oh, okay.
Yeah, Chinese 统计。
Did you have break recently?
Oh, I had a week of break. Yeah. 一周的假，一周 is a week, and 假 is break. Yeah, 一周的假。Had a week of break.
家 means break. 家 also means home, no?
No, 家 is home, 假 is break. They're different characters. Yeah, different characters. They're the same, but different. Yeah. 家 is home. Had a week. A week is 一周，一周。Week is
一周, yeah.
周。
Yeah. Weekend, I know that word. Wait, 周末.
周末 yeah, weekend.
Yeah.
Yes, weekend.
Yeah. What's你的wait 大学名字叫什么？
爱丁堡大学 University of Edinburgh.
Edinburgh?
Yeah.
Wow, really? My roommate is there. Which year are you?
I'm in my third year. 我在大三。
Oh, my roommate is second year.
Yeah.
Oh,
hi guys.
Hi.
How are you? Who's your roommate?
Oh, I went to UWC, so she's from UWC.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
I think there are a few people joining us. I'm using my phone today, so it's different.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I think we have 5 of us on right now.
Yeah.
I'll be listening, but I might mute a little bit because I'm on the road today.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You're driving?
No, I'm not driving, but I'm on the road. I have to travel today.
I'm afraid that you're driving.
No. I forgot how to drive. 那你们开始吧。
Okay. Want to start? I think today we're going to talk about public places and some unique activities. So, do you have the script? This one? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have the script? Okay.
Can you? I actually changed my WeChat in a different device, so I can't access to it.
Okay, it's okay. You can just look at the screen. I'll just show you. So it's basically just not small talk. Like, so, 他们 you can just follow me because tending like that is that you guys want to follow me. Yeah. 他们在做什么？他们 在做什么？
We did. Yeah. 他们坐在什么？
他们在做什么？他们这个 this is 在。
哦，在呀。
他们在做什么？
他们在做什么呀
Yeah, because 他们 is they,
Yeah.
and 在 is like what are they doing? They are like at the moment, and 做 is like do, and 什么 is like what.
Yeah.
You guys know that 他们在做什么？
Yeah.
So 他们在跳广场舞。
他们在跳广
场。
Okay.
广场。
他们在
跳
广场。
他们在跳 is like dance. 跳舞 is dancing.
跳舞。
广场舞 is like I think it's kind of a unique Chinese activity that's for middle age and old people. Yeah. So 这是 is this is. Yeah. 这是 is this is. 一项 is like one, but 项 is the number, the thing that I told, like the number word. Did you remember like 个一个两个?
Yeah.
项 is another like that kind of word. It's for like you can say one activity that's 一项活动, which is one activity. So it's just a number word. Yeah. 这是一项。中老年 is like middle age and old people. 中老年人 is middle age and old people because 中 means middle.
Yeah.
And 老 means old. 老 means old. And so 中年 is actually middle age. Yeah. I'll just write it here. 中年 is middle age, and 老年 is like old, age, whatever. So if you say it together, it's 中老年, which is middle age and old people. 中老年 and 人 people. 中老年人的 is like somebody's like 活动 is activity. You know. Do you remember that? I think we've covered that word. 活动 So 这是一项中老年人的活动 means this is an activity for middle age and old people. Yeah. So you can also say this is like 这是. You can use the word for different sentences that you want to say.
这是一项
中老年人的活动。
中老年人
的活动。Don't forget.
Can you repeat what's meant by 活动?
活动 is activity.
Oh, activity. You just said it, yeah.
Yeah, 活动 is activity. 活动 is activity. I find it a little bit difficult to explain what kind of thing is square dance, so I just found a video for you, so you can just watch that. It's this one. So they are 4 American guys who come to China. I don't know if it's for the first time or for like whatever, but like this is the first time they see like what square dance is, and this is their reaction. Okay.
It's just like water aerobics. Wait, this music is this dancing or what is this? Oh, it's yeah. Was it outside?
Yeah, so it's outside.
You wanna go check this out? Or check more other side? Is this it? Or is there more? We have more people. This is one part. One part. Is this an organized thing? It is. It is organized. It's gonna be organizing. Like exercise, or they just grandmas. Why?
Yes, a lot of old people was
Healthy.
choose to do square dancing. I don't know, just like for healthy reason maybe.
Yeah, they do it every night. In America, a lot of older people come to to the pools, like club pools in the morning and do water aerobics. They do the same thing, but it's in water. Yeah. It's in water and they flash. Really? In water?
What do they wear? Bikini?
Yeah. They float, and it's for like really unathletic people. Okay. Do they dance like their moves? Yeah. We're in group have a teacher. Are you guys ready? Oh my
Yeah,
God,
see
you're
that
serious.
group of people, they're dancing square
Those
dance.
swags! Holy shit, what is happening?
You always find this kind of thing in communities in China.
See that?
Yeah.
How many more there?
Can you see it? Like there are all the people there, they're dancing,
Crazy.
in the spirit, like,
Mm.
and they're also playing
Follow
music.
their moves. Jump in. No, you can't dance here. Follow their move.
Yeah. So basically, this is how square dance is like.
You just do whatever you want.
Like they're just
They have the same move. They have
yeah
exactly the same move.
dancing the
Is that
same move.
crazy?
Okay. Just to give you an idea of what is square dance.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next sentence, they look happy. 他们 is they. 他们看起来 which is look. 看起来 很高兴 happy. Can you follow me? 他们看起来很高兴。
Yep. 他们很高起来高兴。
他们看起来很高兴。
他们
看
起来
很高兴。很高兴。
很高兴。
很高兴。OK， 高兴，高兴。他们看起来很高兴 ，which is they look happy. They 他们看起来 is look and happy is 很高兴。Yeah， 是啊。You guys all know this.
Yeah.
Where are you going later? 你之后要去哪里？
你之后要去哪里？
Yeah, 要 is like will. It's like it says something that happened in the future. So 你之后要去哪里 is like where will you go later? Where are you going later? Yeah. 你之后要去哪里 And he answer with a 要。我要去学校上课。
我要去学校上课。
Yeah. Because我要去 is I'm going. What is 学校？学校 is school. Yeah. 上课 is, do you know what is 上课？
Study.
Yeah, it's like have courses. If you translate character by character, it's having courses because 上 is have, 课 is like course, just having courses. But you can also say study. So 我要去学校上课。你呢？
你呢？
Yeah, that's like and you. 你呢？
Yeah. 你呢？
Yeah. 我打算打车。Okay, let's 打算打车去理发店。理发店，那以理发的眼店。理发。Sorry, this sentence is a bit long. It's like 我打算 what is I and 打算 do you know what is 打算 right? Actually we said it last.
Yeah, it was in the last lecture.
Yeah, it's like plan. Yeah, 我打算。
Yeah.
And 打车。Yeah, it's to take a taxi. 打车 is take a taxi. And 去 what is 去 is like they're the same. 我要去学校和去 is like yeah, it's to go. So 我打算打车去理发店 is barber shop. barber shop. And 理发 is have a haircut.
Oh.
Yeah. So this sentence altogether is I plan to take a taxi to a barber shop to have a haircut. Yeah. What do you want to say it again? Just follow me. 我打算打车去理发店理发。
我打算打车去理发店去呀。
Yeah. 我理发店 and this is also 理发理发店理发 sorry 理发店理发 yeah or you can also say 剪头发 which is cut your hair 剪头发剪 is cut 剪 is cut and 头发 is hair.
Yeah.
But you can also say cut. You can also say 我打算打车去理发店剪头发。Like I plan to take a taxi to the barbershop to have a haircut. Yeah. 然后is then, right? It's after that. 然后 is then. 走去 走is walk. 走 is walk. 走 is walk. And 去 is go. 超市 is supermarket.
Okay, 超市
Yeah. 超市 is supermarket. 超市 is supermarket. 购物 is go shopping. 购物 is go shopping. Go. And I'll say the sentence, you can repeat after me. 然后走去超市购物。
然后走去超市购物。
Yeah, 超市。See, it's 吃凹超。This is 凹 超市。Yeah, 超市购物。And sorry,
you guys should try to repeat you.
Yeah. And here's a question.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. No, I was hoping that other students will repeat after you because I can only hear Lobsang's voice.
Yeah. And I'll just continue. So it'll be better if you guys can all repeat after me. So I don't know like what's the problem with your pronunciation. Okay, 你是 So 你 is you, 是 is like are. Yeah, 你是 Yeah. 坐公交车 Yeah. 坐公交车 Yeah, 坐 is like sit, but 坐公交车 it's a phrase, is to take a bus. 坐公交车 is to take a bus, but 坐 singly, that's yeah. 坐公交车 is to take a bus.
To take a bus, okay.
Yeah.
坐公交车
like because e is pronounced like so 车 yeah. 去学校吗？
去学校吗？
Yeah, 去学校吗？ So it's like, are you taking a bus to school? 你是坐公交车去学校吗？你是坐公交车去学校吗？
Which one is bus in Chinese character?
I'm sorry, which part is bus?
Bus, yeah.
公交车 is bus.
Bus,
And,
okay.
Yeah, and 坐公交车 is to take a bus.
Okay.
坐公交车 is to take a bus. Good. Yeah. And you can also say 你是打车去学校吗？你是打车去学校吗？ Which is like, are you taking a taxi to school? Are you taking a taxi to school? Yeah. So you can change this part. 坐公交车 is take a bus. You can change this part. Anything they want. Okay. To any other transportations. Yeah. No. 不 Yeah. 不 is no. 不。我坐地铁。坐地铁。Yeah, good. 坐地铁 is take a subway. Take subway. Okay. Underground transportation. Yeah. Take subway. No, I take subway. 我坐地铁。北京的地铁。Yeah, that's Beijing's subway. 北京的 is Beijing's. 地铁 is subway.
Yeah.
很方便。
方便。
Yeah, which is convenient. It's very convenient. 很方便。方便 is convenient. 方便 is convenient. And 很 is like very, but we don't have a character for is. So we just say it's very convenient. 北京的地铁很方便。北京的地铁很方便。Can you guys repeat after me?
Yeah. 北京的 Wait, I lost it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
北京的地铁。
北京的地铁很方便。
地铁 because like it's yeah. 特野铁 TIY is like 特野铁地铁。地铁很方便。Yeah. 有 is half. Do you know that? You know that, right? 有 is half. 13, how many is this?
It's 13.
Yeah, 13. 13条 is the same. It's also the number word. It's like 像 and 个. It goes after the number. Yeah.
有13条。
Yeah, 线路 is lines. 线路 is lines. Yeah.
线路
Yeah, 线路。道 is two. 道 is two.
道
Yeah, 道 is two.
道
Yeah. 个 is every. 个 is every, is all. Yeah, 个 is every. 地方 Yeah. 地方 Yeah, it's place. It's place. 地方 is place. So 个地方 is every places. It's everywhere. 个地方
各个地方
Yeah, good. Okay, can you guys repeat after me the whole sentence? 有13条线路到各个地方。Okay.
有13条线路到各个地方。
Yeah, that's good.
地方
No problem. So 有13条 it's like it has 13 lines to everywhere. It has 13 lines to everywhere. 我知道。
我知道。
Yeah, that's I know. Yeah, 知道 is know. 知道 is know. I know. 我知道。知道 is know. 北京太大了。
北京太大了。
Yeah, that's Beijing is too big. So 太 is two. 太 is two. 太 is two, which is very useful. You can also say too small. Too small, which is 太小. The 小 is small. 太小. 小. Yeah, 北京太大了. Beijing is too big. 我更喜欢 Yeah, Shanghai is another city in China.
Yeah, Shanghai.
更 is better, which is like more. Yeah, I like it more. 更 is like more. So you can say 更好.
更好。
Can you guess what does it mean?
更好。Better.
Yeah, 更好 is better. And 更坏. 更坏. 更坏, can you guess what is that? What is 更坏? It's the opposite of 更好, which is worse.
Oh.
So 更坏更好. So 我更喜欢上海 is I like Shanghai better. I like Shanghai better. I like Shanghai better. Yeah. 虽然 it's yeah, 虽然 is although.
Although.
Yeah, 虽然 it's you and I. That's 虽 It's like you, first you put your mouth. You do this. You let your mouth do this. 虽然 yeah, 虽然 yeah, 虽然上海也很大。上海也很大. Yeah, that's like Shanghai is also big. So 也 is also. 上海也 is also. 上海也很大. You can also say 也很好. Shanghai is also good. Or 也很坏. Shanghai is also bad. 也很大. Yeah. 但是
is bad.
Yeah, 但是 is bad. Yeah, 但是 is bad. 更合适 更is more. 合适 is suitable. 合适 is suitable. 合适 is suitable.
Yeah. 合适 suitable.
散步 is for stroll. Stroll is 散步. Stroll is 散步. So 但是更合适散步 is but it's more suitable for stroll. Yeah. 但是更合适散步. So I'll read it again and you guys can repeat after me like a sentence after a sentence. So the first sentence 我知道. I'll try to speak it more naturally so you can know how I normally talk with different people, okay? So 北京太大了. Yeah, 北京太大了. 我更喜欢上海.
我更喜欢上海.
Yeah, 我更喜欢上海. 虽然上海也很大. 虽然 Go. You can continue. Sorry. 虽然上海也很大。
虽然上海也很大。
Yeah， 虽然上海也很大，但是更合适散步。但是更合适散步。
更合适散步。
Yeah, that's good. So normally I just say 我知道北京太大了，我更喜欢上海。虽然上海也很大，但是更合适散步。Yeah, that's how I normally talk to people. Yeah, 的确。So U and E together, it's 确。That's like 约。I know it is a bit weird. 约 So 确。Yeah, 那个描写确。Yeah, 的确。That's indeed like true. You're right. Yeah, 的确。
Indeed.
中国南方的城市。中国南方的城市。
中国南方的城市。
Yeah, that's southern cities in China. Chinese southern cities. Because 南方的 is southern. Sorry. 南方的 is southern. And 城市 is city. 城市 is city. So 中国南方的城市。
中国南方的城市。
和 is and, but we use 和 like this is actually some sentence. So if you say A 和 B 很不同 that's like A is very different from B. So 很不一样 that's different. Yeah. 很不一样 is different.
很不一样
that's quite different. So 中国南方的城市和北方的城市很不一样 That's southern cities in China are quite different from northern ones. 中国南方的城市和北方的城市很不一样。Yeah. Okay. I'll read it again. Can you guys also repeat after me? 的确。中国南方的城市。
中国南方的城市。
和北方的城市。
和北方的城市。
Yeah, 很不一样。
很不一样。
Yeah, 很不一样。中国南方的城市和北方的城市很不一样。你今晚有什么计划？你今晚有什么计划 ？That's what's your plan tonight？ 你今晚有什么计划？你 is you。今晚is tonight。Tonight， 今晚。今晚有 is have， 有 is have， and 计划 is plan， 计划 is plan。So what's your plan tonight？ 你今晚有什么计划？
你今晚是
有什么计划？
有什么计划
Yeah, UA is 和物啊画 which is 画和物啊画。The pronunciation is H is 和 U is 乌 A is A is A. So together 和物啊和物画 Yeah.
I do have a question with the peeing. Like, what's the difference between UA and AU? How can we pronounce it differently?
We don't have AU. That's
really?
That doesn't exist. We don't have AU. We only have UA. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And if it's UE, that's Hui.
Yeah, I think that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah. Oh, we don't have this one. I don't know why, but we have this one, Hui. So it's like the H is He, U is U, I is E. So it's Hui, Hui. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's also one character in my name. Like my name is Yu Huimeng, so the middle character is Hui. Yeah. Hui. Yeah, Hui. Wow. And we have this one, like Yue. That's Yue. Yue. That's like, you just remember that. Yeah, Yue. Yeah. What's your plan tonight? 你今晚有什么计划？我想去。I'm going to.
我想去。
Yeah. 想 is like want. 想 is want. 想 is want. 我想去做盲人按摩。盲人按摩。Yeah, that's blind massage. It's massage, but the person who does massage for you is actually a blind man. So 盲人按摩 is blind massage. Yeah, 盲人 is blind man, and 按摩 is massage. 按摩 is massage. 我想去做盲人按摩。And 然后 Can you still remember what is 然后?
然后
Yeah. Can you still remember what is 然后?
But
No, 然后 is then. 然后 is then. 然后 is then. But is 但是. But is 但是. So let's come back. Yeah, so but 但是 that's but. 但是 is but. Yeah. 然后 is then. 去三里屯。
去三里屯。
Yeah, 三里屯 is a very famous like shopping area in Beijing. Yeah. Like a very famous shopping area with restaurants and all the other recreation activities are all there. Yeah. So 三里屯和朋友。You know what is 和朋友?
朋友 means friend.
Yeah, so it's like with friends. 和朋友吃晚饭。You know what is 吃晚饭, right?
Yeah, dinner.
Yeah. So that's like, I'm going to have dinner with my friends in 三里屯. Yeah. I'll just repeat the sentence again and you can repeat after me. 我想去做盲人按摩。
我想去
做
盲人
按摩。Yeah. 然后去三里屯。
去三里屯。
Yeah, 和朋友吃晚饭。
和朋友吃晚饭。
Yeah, so this one 去。So in this one, the U is not the wu sound, it's the yu sound. It's the yu sound. So it's qi, so Q is ch. So U is yu. So together it's qi yu qu. Yu 和qi yu qu. Yeah. And after that, okay. 然后 Now you know what is 然后 right? 然后
Yeah.
去酒吧吗？
去酒吧吗？
酒吧 is the name of it's bar. Like, are you been to the bar? 酒吧 is bar. 酒吧 is bar. Yeah. 然后去酒吧吗？三里屯的酒吧街很有名。三里屯酒吧街 is Bar Street, and 很有名 is famous. 'Cause 有名 is famous. Yeah. So, okay, do you guys have any problem? 三里屯的酒吧街很有名。Right? Yeah. So I'll just say the sentence again, and it'll be good if you guys can repeat after me. 然后去酒吧吗 ？Yeah. 三里屯的酒吧街很有名。三里屯 Bar Street is famous. Do you guys have any problem? Just let me know. No.
Wait.
If no problem, I'll just continue, right? It's okay, yeah. 不 like no. 我明天
我明天
Yeah. 明天 is tomorrow. You know that? 明天 is tomorrow. 明天 is tomorrow. 还要去还 is like also or a have. Yeah, 还要去 is like I have to go to. 还要去 is have to go to. 还要去要去 It's very oral. 还要去798艺术区798 is the number.
798
艺术区艺
You is hi used for still, like I still want to go.
Yeah, like I still have to go. Yeah, I
I
still
still
want
have
to
to
go.
go. I still want to go. Okay.
Yeah, 还 is like still. 798艺术区 is like it's 艺术区 is art district. 艺术区 is art district. Yeah. 看展览看展览is see exhibitions. See exhibitions. Because 展览 is exhibitions. 展览 exhibitions. 所以 so 所以 see here 所以 is so. 所以 is so. Oh no, sorry. 所以 is so. And I'll just mark it. 今晚 is tonight.
今晚
Yeah, tonight. 要早睡 Sorry.
早
睡 Remember UI is 睡 wait 睡 Yeah.
睡
Yeah, good. 今晚要早睡 It's like I have to go to bed early today. So 早睡 because 早 is early. 早 is early. It's also morning. And 睡 is sleep. So it's like I have to sleep early today. 我今晚要早睡，所以今晚要早睡。
我今晚也早睡
It's I have to go to bed early. Yeah. 我今晚要早睡 I have to go to bed early. Okay. 好。Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to tell me about exhibition when you are back. 别忘了。
别忘了
It's don't forget, because 别 is don't. Because 别 is don't. 别 is don't. 忘 is forget. 忘 is forget. Yeah. 回来 is back, come back. 回来 is come back. 给我讲讲，给我讲讲，给我讲讲 is tell me， 给我讲讲。
给我讲讲。
Yeah, it's tell me because what is like 给我 is like to me. 给我 is to me. This is good. And 讲讲 is tell. 讲讲 is tell. And 展览 you know that's exhibition.
展览 yeah.
怎么样 what is 怎么样 怎么样 is
What happened?
yeah, it's like how. Yeah,
How?
is that? Yeah, how is that? So it's like don't forget to tell me about exhibition when you're back. So 别忘了回来，
别忘了回来，
给我讲讲
给我讲讲
展览怎么样。
展览怎么样。
Yeah, good. And bye 再见再见 bye 再见 bye
再见。
bye. Yeah, so I think we've encountered several, like, I feel like are very important words, like 但是虽然 but I want you to remember that. I want you to so here are some words that I want you to remember more clearly than the other words, which are very useful. So I want you to remember 打车 打车
打车
it's to take a taxi. Do you still remember 打车 to take a taxi? That's quite important. And 然后is then it's very useful. And also 走 that's walk. 走 is walk. And 超市 is supermarket. 超市 is supermarket. Yeah. 坐公交车 take a bus. 坐公交车 to take a bus. And 坐地铁
坐地铁
take a subway. Yeah. 方便 convenient 方便 Yeah. 虽然 it's although and 更 it's more and 太 it's too. Yeah, too. 太 我知道 I know 我知道 I know
我知道
I know 也 is also yeah is also and 但是 is but 但是 is but yeah 然后 is like 和朋友吃完饭 yeah 朋友 is friends and 想 is want 我想做我想怎么样我想 want 今天我想还要去 yeah 这样所以今晚要早睡别忘了 yeah 别忘了 is don't forget 别忘了 don't forget 回来 is come back yeah 回来 is come back so I think they're pretty important like 虽然但是虽然 although 但是 but yeah also so if I think if you've learned all these words it'll be easier for you to make up sentences by yourself yeah and if you want to ask me like if there are some words that you don't know what to say about public places and unique activities, you can just ask me now and I'll tell you how to say it. It's like the last 30 minutes. So just ask me what kind of words you still want to know.
Is it possible if we can do a dialogue, maybe a role play using all the words we learned today?
Now?
Because you highlighted some words, so maybe you could form some questions and then they can answer back some very simple ones.
You mean right now?
I mean, whatever the students want. That was just a suggestion. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just ask them. Hey, so guys, do you want to do like a short quiz of the things that we learned today, where do you want to know more words about public places and unique activities? Which one do you prefer?
What about in a restaurant?
Okay.
Yeah.
Restaurant. That's restaurant. Restaurant. That's 饭店.
饭店.
饭店. That's like bigger restaurant. 饭店 is for bigger restaurant. It also has 餐馆. 餐馆, that's like normal smaller ones. 餐馆. 餐馆, that's smaller ones. So 饭店.
What about 饭馆?
Yeah, I think they're the same. We just have too many names for restaurants. So here's another one. 饭馆. I don't know it's bigger or smaller, it's just restaurants. Yeah, 饭馆. 饭馆. Yeah. So you can use
饭馆, 餐馆, 饭店. Okay.
Yeah. So you can use any of these 饭店, 餐馆, 饭馆, yeah, for restaurant.
What do you call like Pizza Huts or KFC, McDonald's?
Okay. Pizza Hut.
I mean, no, not those. The name of the restaurants, but the fast food chains. What do you call them? They're not 饭馆, right?
Yeah, fast food. It's 快餐店. Because fast food is 快餐.
快餐店. Oh.
Yeah. Because fast food is 快餐. Oh, sorry. 餐 and 店 is fast food restaurant. 快餐店. 快餐店. Fast food restaurant. And also 医院 is 医院 is hospital. Hospital is 医院. 医院 is hospital. Yeah.
There's one question. Yeah. So there's one question from another student. If anybody wants to speak, you have to first enable your audio, because if you don't enable your audio, we can't hear you.
Okay. What's the question?
I think he's going to be speaking to you.
Okay.
But his question said, go ahead. Lobsang?
Yeah, hear me right.
大一点.
Is okay. My voice. It's audible, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
声音大一点吧.
Yeah, two was like 公共汽车，然后是客车，然后是轿车。Among these three words, which one is more suitable for bus?
So 公交车. So for bus, there is only these 公交车, which is bus, and 公车 and 公交. These two are the most common ones. So yeah, First one, it's in the text. 公交车 is in the text above. And 公交, you don't have to say 车. 公交 is also bus. These are the most common ones. Yeah.
Okay.
And what's your question?
My question.
Yeah. Did I answer you?
Yeah, there's two words, right? Like 公共汽车, there's another words 客车, 然后有一个是飙车. Among these two words, which one is more suitable for the bus? When we use these two words for the bus.
Which one is the most what?
Suitable words.
Sorry?
Suitable words for a bus. I wrote two words, right? 公共汽车, 客车, 然后是轿车.
客车 is not bus. 客车 is not bus. 客车 is like those big cars those cargo cars, the vans or something. 客车 is like vans, not really 客车.
Small one, right?
Okay, I'll just search. I don't know the most common translation. What is it? So 客车. Sorry. I'll try to. And 客车 it's like couch. Yeah, 客车 is like mini bus. I don't know. 客车 is like mini bus, but we don't use that for bus. It's like 客车 is like the cars that we use to carry like travelers, mainly for tourists, like not for public transport, not for daily transportation. Do you know what I mean?
My understanding is that 公共汽车 is the public bus that everybody uses.
Yeah.
And the coach is those private bus people rent to go on for tourism or for other purposes. But the common bus that we know, I don't know, in Beijing I've always heard it say 公共汽车 or 公交车, I guess.
Yeah, 客车 is like that. And 轿车 is like cars, just those private cars, those private small cars. This one's 轿车. Okay. Is that good for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Do you have other questions?
Me?
Yeah.
I feel I don't find a suitable words for bus because the first one, 公共汽车, 公共 refers to as a public, right?
Yeah.
So public car, it's like a public vehicle. Then another one is 客, it's a guest. So guest vehicle. I understanding like that. So I don't find a suitable words for bus. That's why I'm asking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it's just a name. Sometimes it doesn't have a reason at all. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. You can use the 公共汽车 for bus.
Yeah, or 公交车. Maybe you just use 公交because it's more oral. We don't really say 公共汽车because that's 4 words and it's too long to say. Yeah.
I don't have no other questions.
Okay. Does anyone have other questions? Yeah, does anyone has other questions? Okay. Now I think it's already the time and you can now you can just message me if you have other questions later and I'll try my best to answer you. And also we have another class tomorrow at the same time. It's like 5 p.m. for you guys and 10 p.m. for me. So thank you guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good
Thank
night.
you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you? I guess there's no homework tonight, right?
Yeah, because tomorrow we also have one class, right?
Okay. All right.
We have class tomorrow as well.
Yeah, we're gonna make up for
Oh.
what happened was we didn't have class last Saturday, so we
Yeah.
had last Saturday's topic today, and then today's lecture tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That means I might not be able to make it, but I can text you.
Sure. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't make it, we'll have the video on the website.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you.
Have
Yeah.
a good Saturday. Thank you.
Yeah.
You. Bye.
Bye-bye.